Hi everyone, my name is Liam Cleary and welcome to my course Planning and Configuring Managed Metadata in SharePoint 2019. I am the CEO and owner at Shareplicity, as well as a Microsoft MVP and a Microsoft Certified Trainer. Content added to SharePoint is sometimes not easy to find and identify, especially when it has not been tagged or classified correctly. To fix this problem, SharePoint provides the Managed Metadata service. This service allows for creating term sets, terms, and taxonomy structure, as well as providing support for folksonomy. These components, when implemented correctly, will allow end users to tag and identify content efficiently and with ease. In this course, we're going to walk through planning and basic implementation of both taxonomy and folksonomy within SharePoint Server 2019. Some of the major topics that we will cover include planning and creating a term store structure, planning taxonomy and folksonomy, configuring term store security, maintaining the Managed Metadata service, and then planning and configuring connections to external data sources. By the end of this course, you'll understand the planning process as well as some of the implementation steps required to implement taxonomy, folksonomy, as well as connections to external data sources. You need previous SharePoint experience for this course, as well as an understanding of Windows Server and installing applications. There's also some basic knowledge of taxonomy, such as terms and tags, is required. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into overall management of SharePoint 2019 with courses on managing and maintaining a SharePoint 2019 farm, managing search in SharePoint 2019, and then planning for and implementing a SharePoint 2019 farm. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to plan and configure taxonomy and folksonomy, as well as external data connections with the Planning and Configuring Managed Metadata in SharePoint 2019 course at Pluralsight.